Hello guys, it's Dale here with a quick day trading analysis. Today I'll focus on the Australian dollar US dollar. You are looking at 30-minute chart, and the platform I'm using is NinjaTrader 8 platform, and in here I have my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. So what I want to talk about here are two resistances. First one at 0.6632, second one 0.6680. If I use the volume profile over this whole area, then the first resistance which I have in here was based on those heavy volumes which got traded within this downtrend. Those volumes were telling us that sellers who were pushing the price downwards were adding to their short positions in here, and they should defend this zone in the future. Now, it looks like the price already tested that level in here a little bit sooner, but there was first deviation of VWAP. This is the gray line in here, which often works as a resistance when the price goes below it and when the price is trending like this. So the price reacted to that first deviation a little bit before our level, which was at the beginning of that heavy volume zone. So this level is tested. I'm just talking about it because I published this level yesterday in my members area, and right now it seems it got spent. But what I want to talk about more is this second resistance, which clearly hasn't been tested yet. So let's focus on that. It is based on a volume accumulation setup, which is one of my favorite volume profile setups. And as you can see, there is a heavy volume zone and a rotation. So heavy volumes were accumulated in a rotation from which there was a very strong sell-off. So this is telling us that sellers were active in here in this rotation, adding to their short positions, building up their shorts, and then they manipulated the price to go downwards from there. The level which I marked here is the beginning of that heavy volume zone. This is where I think the price is most likely to react. So when there's a pullback, I expect a reaction from there, from the beginning of that heavy volume zone. Now, there are two more things that adds strength to that resistance. If we stick to the volume profile trading, then look at this weekly volume profile. This is volume profile that shows volume distribution over this whole week. The weekly point of control is right here, which means that this week the heaviest volumes throughout the whole current week were traded in here. Yeah, exactly at our level. So that definitely adds strength to our level, and that's another reason why I think that there should be a reaction from it. Now, one more thing that I really like about this resistance is that the price was bouncing off this zone in the past. You see all those reactions. This means that it worked as a strong support. Right here, when the price went past that support, the support turned into a resistance. This is price action setup, and as you can see, it nicely confirms our volume profile based level. Alright, so we have three reasons why the price should react there. First one, volume accumulation setup based on volumes accumulated in this rotation before this downtrend. Second reason, weekly point of control. Third reason, price action setup. All those point to this resistance. So we have nice combo. What we need to do now is just wait for a pullback and take it from there. Just be careful, there's upcoming macro news later today. It is the GDP on the US dollar, also unemployment claims. This is not that strong macro news, but still it is marked red on the forex factory, and it is released at the same time as the final GDP, so be careful around trading during the news release. Generally speaking, I don't recommend trading intraday trades during macro news or in the post news volatility. Alright, so that's about that. If you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then what I recommend is visiting my website. It is at trader-dale.com. If you click this button which says browse courses, then it will take you to this page. You scroll down a bit, and in here, this is a lead pack, which is an educational and indicator pack, which focuses on volume profile trading. There's a video, check it out, it will show you everything that's included in this massive pack. So check it out, see for yourself, and hopefully I'll see you in the members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading.